Uptown Swing level 1 recap. This is
Level 1.
6 count, and you are?
Hannah.
That's correct. I'm Peter. Good job, everybody. We got through a bunch of stuff. The 2 new things we did today were the cuddle. It goes like this. Basic. On the cuddle, I bring the follower through like this. Triple step, then rock step, triple step, triple step. If your hand's upside down, you can just switch it, no big deal. And when we do this, make sure we keep turning followers and you make space leaders.
Yep.
You can stay here for a little while, but not that long. It gets weird. Okay, cool. So we're there. Then we did another turn from here. Open position with 2 hands. We did a tuck turn, just dressed up a little different. We did rock step, triple step. And really, we invited the followers to hit that footwork. Really wind up, and don't turn yourself and let your body do the math of the connection plus the footwork, because it's a little off the numbers. It's in between things, and if you figure it out in your brain, it goes wrong. Leaders, think about that hula hoop and get some springy feelings. A rock step, triple step, boing, boing, woo! Rock step, triple. Then we just had y'all dancing. You did great. That's it!